In this video, we'll be looking at Open Up 7th grade, Unit 4, Lesson 10, Tax and Tip. So today we have one goal. I understand and can solve problems about sales tax and tip. Money. So sales tax is just a fee paid to the government, and the amount of tax is a percentage of the price of the item that you buy. Let's solve a problem. So here, Lindsay is buying a new pack of scrunchies. The pack costs $13.55. She shops in Pennsylvania and she has to pay 6% tax. And I want to know what is the final price that she has to pay. So you've got two options for doing this, and we've practiced these in other contexts. Method 1, to find 6% of $13.55, you can multiply 13.55 by 0.06, and you get 0.813. Since we're talking about money, you can round 0.813 to 81 cents. That's your tax, and you can add it to the original cost to get a total of $14.36 that Lindsay has to pay. Or method 2, you can say if she's paying 6% tax plus 100% of the item, she's paying 106%. So then we can simply multiply 13.55 by 1.06 and round our answer again to $14.36. Notice both times we get an equivalent answer. Okay, but what if Lindsay's friend Jessie buys the same scrunchie pack, but she buys them in Arizona, and Arizona's tax rate is a little bit higher, so she has to use 7.5% tax. What will she pay in total? Try this one on your own, and I'd love you to try doing both methods and see if you can confirm an answer. All right, method 1, I'm going to just quickly flash through it below. Should multiply by 0.075 for the tax. Round it up, and you're going to get $14.57 that Jessie has to pay. In method 2, add on that 100% plus the 7.5% immediately and just multiply by 1.075, round your answer, and again, Jessie's going to have to pay $14.57. All right, so sometimes we want to know just the tax, and if we want to know the tax, then we're doing like if it was 6%, we could do 0.06x, or if it was 7.5%, 0.075x, or et cetera, et cetera. But if we want to know the total cost, we have to add the original price, which is the full x, plus 0.06x, or do 1.06x. Okay, I want you to get comfortable with both strategies and both types. All right. I just want you to know, in some restaurants, people pay the server a tip in addition to paying for the meal. And usually it's customary to pay between 10% and 20%. Sometimes you tip more. I just want to point out that the process for finding tip and total cost for a meal is identical to finding the tax and then the total cost after tax. All right, so as you're looking through today's goal, do you understand and can you solve problems about sales tax and tip?